Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step comparison of AWeber versus GrooveMail. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. Starting with AWeber, it's a platform dedicated to email marketing. What makes AWeber stand out is its user-friendly approach to creating and managing email campaigns. Whether you're sending newsletters, setting up autoresponders, or creating automated email sequences, AWeber's drag-and-drop email builder and templates make the process simple, even for beginners. It focuses on helping businesses grow their audience through effective email list management and targeted campaigns. With tools for segmenting audiences and automating communication, AWeber is a great fit for small businesses or anyone looking to engage effectively with their audience via email. On the other hand, GrooveMail is part of the GrooveFunnels suite, offering an email marketing solution with deep integration across Groove's other marketing tools. GrooveMail supports email campaigns, sequences, and automation, but it also works seamlessly with other GrooveFunnels apps like sales funnels, websites, and membership sites. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses looking to manage all their marketing operations in one place. GrooveMail also offers detailed behavioral analytics and tracking, allowing for personalized and segmented email marketing. In summary, AWeber is perfect for businesses focused on straightforward email list management and engagement with a beginner-friendly approach. GrooveMail, on the other hand, stands out for its deeper integration with an entire suite of marketing tools, making it ideal for businesses that need an all-in-one solution for their online presence. Both tools excel in email marketing, but GrooveMail offers broader functionality within a larger marketing ecosystem. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.